Hi there. Thank you for joining us today. Total Channel, as you know, has a lot of great features. Today, we're going to do a little short training session on how to use our reporting feature. So, this allows you to track any advertising and create billing reports that you can attach to your invoices when you're using your system to generate revenue and sell advertising. So, there's a little reporting tab here. So, managing the system is always right here over on the left hand side. So, the first thing you really need to do is under this systems tab, you're going to create some content affiliates, right? So, for example, we've got a few in here as just kind of demo tests. But to do so, if you know you've sold advertising to a specific person and you want to track it, you're going to create a new affiliate if they're not in there. And you're really just going to fill out this form. What do you want this to show as? Is it Coca-Cola? Is it XYZ Bank? Whatever it is. And you can say this is a client, it's someone that's new, and you really just fill in the information here and you click save. Since we already have some of those in the system, we're just going to skip ahead and assume that we've already created the affiliates that we need. We're going to click reports here. And to create a new report, at any time while we're wanting to see reports that have been created, they're just right here. You can just click on those. But we will click on create a new report. And the first thing you're going to do is from that affiliate list that you've already created over here under system, right? We're going to select the one that we want to create a specific report from. So maybe today it's for Coca-Cola. And then the second thing is we're just going to set a few parameters of what we want this report to be, right? So maybe the first thing we'll do is we'll select groupings, right? And we'll set maybe some locations, right? And then maybe we want to see specific dates. Maybe this particular report we'd like to see monthly. And then under impression count, we'll maybe check that box and we'll say daily. But you can see as I'm scrolling down here, you just kind of decide, is it a specific campaign or playlist? Maybe it's one section or zone on the screen, right? Maybe there's a specific location. But once you've selected from your drop-down list here what you want to see, you're just going to click this little brief preview tab here. And then over here, you're going to give this specific report a name. So maybe this is Lisa's test report. And that's really all you have to do. You just have to check the boxes that you want based on what you want to see and what you're wanting to track. A piece of content, a specific date and time. Maybe it's an event from, 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. Whatever it is you want this report to consist of, you just tick those boxes and then you click save. And you've created the report to track all of those things that you want. You can see a new report was successfully added. And so in this report, right, we said we had a specific location. We wanted to track this month, daily impression count, and we didn't really get too deep into any of the sections. But this report, now if we go over here to this reports section, you'll see Lisa's test report here. So let's say we did have this report that we needed at the end of the month, and it's tracking these specific things that we've said we wanted to track that we've listed here. This is where you can go in and generate a PDF or an Excel of this specific piece of content of this affiliate Coca-Cola that we wanted to track. So it's a really great process that goes hand in hand with whoever is doing your accounting or invoicing the people that you may have sold advertising to. So if you sold Coca-Cola, this many advertisements would play during this month in this location. When you print out that report, this is kind of your proof that those things have played. So again, you would have that report for the month at this location, all the boxes that we've ticked here. And it's just a great kind of as run log for proof of this ad playing. So hopefully that was helpful. I know there's not a lot to see under this reporting section, but this is a really great way to not only track advertising for billing purposes, but really to just track any specific parameter that you need to. Whether that's a touch screen that someone has walked up and touched something, and maybe on that touch screen they're downloading a coupon or going to a specific website. It really is a way to track pretty much anything you want to do in the system. So thank you for joining us, and I hope you learned a little bit more about ad tracking and reporting in general. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at total-channel.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.